Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's You channel, and I hope you're doing great wherever you are. I'm Maribel from Davao, Philippines, and I moved here in California, USA. I'm under a K1 visa and I have a K1 visa Bleles and also a green card Bleles. I will put the link in my description box below. For today's video, I will just update about my IDAS 751 petition to remove conditions on residence. Yes, I will update my status. And yes, this is a quick video only. Without a further ado, let's get started. I have a notes with me with the date. I'm here in California and I send my packet in Arizona. We send my IDAS 751 packet on February 20, 2025 and USPS delivered on February 22 and I received an email from USCIS that was on February 24. We have taken an action on your case. As I check my USCIS account on February 24, my status, case was received and a receipt notice was sent. And USCIS text me with the receipt number that was on February 27. And on February 28, as I check our bank, the check under my husband's name was cash in USCIS Phoenix. On March 1, 2025, case is being actively reviewed by USCIS. Yes, I put here. And that's my update for this video. And also in my next video, I will show you, or I will share about my extension later. Yes, in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can comment in my comment box below. So see you in my next video. Bye. Take care and God bless us all. Bye-bye.